Today start reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals. Look here. Active metals like sodium, magnesium, cadmium, etc. is reacted with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide to form a compound containing a carbon metal bond. Containing a carbon metal bonds are called as organometallic compounds. Called as organometallic compounds. Look here, simple. Look here. What about organometallic compound? A metal like active metal like sodium, magnesium, or cadmium. Okay, is reacted with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. It gives a compound containing a carbon. Everybody, a carbon. A bond. Everybody, here a carbon metal compounds are called as organometallic compound. Look here, organometallic compound discovered by Victor Grignard. Victor Grignard, okay, in 1900. In 1900. Look here, it's called as Grignard reagent. It's called as Grignard reagent. Look here, a first point reaction with magnesium metal. Everybody, your first reaction with, reaction with magnesium metal. With magnesium metal. Correct? Yes. A reaction with magnesium metal. Look here, formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent. Okay, yes. Look here, when alkyl halide reacts. When alkyl halides react REX. When alkyl halides reacted with magnesium metal. When alkyl halide is reacted with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. It gives alkyl magnesium, alkyl magnesium halide. Okay, this is the electrophilic addition reaction. What is this? Electrophilic addition reaction. What is this? Alkyl magnesium halide. Okay, magnesium halide. What is this? This is the, a Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent. Look here, a formation of Grignard reagent. A formation of Grignard reagent is a electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. When alkyl halides a reaction with magnesium metal in presence of a dry ether, it gives corresponding, alkyl magnesium metal. What is this? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Okay, simple. Repeat everybody, what is this? This is the alkyl halide. Is reacted with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Okay, it gives a alkyl magnesium halide is called as a Grignard reagent. What is a Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide is called as a Grignard reagent. Okay, yes. Next, look here. A simple question. What is the action of? Look here. What is the action of magnesium metal on methyl iodide? On methyl iodide. Methyl iodide like this. Methyl iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, pain methyl iodide is reacted with magnesium metal. Pain methyl iodide is reacted with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. You know, it gives compound here CH3Mg, okay, I. Name of the compound, methyl magnesium iodide. What is this? A methyl, you know, magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. Repeat all of you. A simple question. How will you convert methyl iodide into methyl magnesium iodide? Or what is the action of the magnesium metal on methyl iodide? Pain methyl iodide is reacted with magnesium metal. In presence of a dry ether, it gives methyl magnesium iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here. Next questions. Next. What is the action of the magnesium metal? You know what is the action of magnesium metal on ethyl bromide? On ethyl bromide. You know ethyl bromide here, CH3, next CH2, next Br. Name of the compound, ethyl. Okay, ethyl magnesium bromide. What is this? Ethyl magnesium bromide. When ethyl magnesium bromide is reacted with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives CH3, CH2, Mg, Br. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound, ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl, correct? Magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. What is this? This is the Grignard reagent. This is the Grignard reagent. Look here, repeat. What is the action of a magnesium metal on ethyl magnesium bromide? Okay, here only ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. You know, when ethyl bromide is reacted with magnesium metal. When ethyl bromide is reacted with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Look here, formation of Grignard reagent is reaction is electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Look here, next point, you know, a JEE oblique NEAT, correct? Look here, what is this? This is the, okay, electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Second point, in this reaction, order of reactivity. In this reaction, order of reactivity of alkyl halide, a 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Look here, third point. You know, order of reactivity of Grignard reagent are MgI greater than or MgBr greater than or MgCl or MgCl. Look at Grignard reagent used for a lot of chemical reaction. You know, Grignard reagent react with water to formation of alkane. Grignard reagent reaction with HCl to formation of alkane. Grignard reagent reaction with the ammonia formation of alkane. A Grignard reagent react with a alkyl nitrile to formation of corresponding ketone. Look here, Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde to form primary alcohol. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde except formaldehyde to form corresponding secondary alcohol. And Grignard reagent is reacted with ketone to form the corresponding tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent react to the ester to formation of corresponding, you know, a ketone or next convert into a tertiary alcohol. Okay, all these reactions are Grignard reagent. You know, Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide to formation of the carboxylic acid. To form a carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the uses of a Grignard reagent. Okay, this is the application of a Grignard reaction. Look here, a simple application. Look here, everybody, a simple application of Grignard reagent. Simple application of a Grignard reagent. You know, a reaction with, next point, a reaction with alcohol. Look here, reaction with alcohol. You know, when Grignard reagent are MgX. When Grignard reagent is reacted with alcohol with methyl alcohol. What is this methyl alcohol? Look here, it gives. Look here, window, close the window. Look here, it will be simple here like this. H. Look here, H. Okay, here CEH3. OCS3. OCS3. Part is a RH. Part is a RH. RH, what is this? RH, what is this? This is the alkane. Hydrocarbon. Okay, remaining part here, Mg, magnesium. Okay, next is the OH. Next, the OCS3. OCS3. Look here, when Grignard reagent is reacted with methyl alcohol. Is reacted with a methyl alcohol. Okay, it gives corresponding hydrocarbon. It gives corresponding hydrocarbon. Everybody here, a alkane. Application of Grignard reagent. Look here, what is this? Everybody, a methyl alcohol is compound is a hydrogen containing compound. Any hydrogen containing compounds react with Grignard reagent to form the corresponding hydrocarbon. To form a corresponding hydrocarbon. Repeat, when everybody Grignard reagent reacted with methyl alcohol, it gives corresponding hydrocarbon. Look here, a simple example, all of you, simple like this. What is the action of methyl alcohol? What is the action of methyl alcohol on methyl magnesium iodide? CH3MgI. Name of the compound. Here, methyl magnesium iodide. Everybody, methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with methyl alcohol. Okay, what is this? The H and CH3. Name of the compound, CH4. What is this? This is the methane. What is this? This is the methane. Mg, okay, Mg, here what is this? I, next OCS3. Oh, complex compound. Repeat everybody, when methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with methyl alcohol, it gives methane. It gives methane. Okay, yes. Look here, next. A hydrogen compound, next is everybody ammonia. Ammonia. Look here, when Grignard reagent RMgX. When Grignard reagent is reacted with ammonia. When Grignard reagent is reacted with ammonia, it gives like this. H and R, RH. H and R, RH plus remaining part Mg, next X, next is the NH2. What is this? Alkane means hydrocarbon. What is this? Hydrocarbon. Look here, when Grignard reagent is reacted with ammonia. Ammonia compound is a hydrogen compound. Hydrogen and R. This is the RH, means hydrocarbon, specific alkane. Okay, this is a complex compound MgX, NH2. The expression, when Grignard reagent is reacted with ammonia, it gives corresponding hydrocarbon, means alkane. Correct? Next, look at the example here. Simple example. Methyl, what is the action of ammonia on a methyl magnesium iodide? Look here, CES3MgI, methyl magnesium iodide. Is reacted with ammonia. Okay? Yes, it gives CH3H, CEH4. What is this? This is the methane. What is this? This is the methane. Plus Mg, here I, next NH2. Correct? Yes. Repeat, when methyl magnesium iodide is react with ammonia, it gives methane. Look here. This is the application of the Grignard reagent. Look here, in this reaction, okay, a Grignard reagent undergoes a nucleophilic addition reaction. Grignard reagent undergoes a nucleophilic addition reaction, and Grignard reagent formed by electrophilic addition reaction. Most important. Formation, electrophilic addition reaction, and Grignard reagent react another compound, okay, undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Look here, simple example here. Hydrogen containing compound react with Grignard reagent, it form the corresponding hydrocarbon. To form a corresponding hydrocarbon. Okay, look here, reaction with magnesium metal means Grignard reagent. What is my Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide is called as a Grignard reagent. Magnesium is a divalent. Magnesium is a divalent. Okay, I is a monovalent. CS3 monovalent. Okay, here CS3 in this example, a alkyl group acts as a nucleophile. In this example, alkyl group acts as a nucleophile and MgI acts as a electrophile. Okay, plus charge. MgI plus CS3 minus. Therefore, the reaction undergoes a nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, yes, formation of Grignard reagent or reaction with magnesium metal. Complete the part of formation of Grignard reagent. Correct? Okay, stop here. Thank you.